When viewing your issue in Issuetrak, the left-hand menu gives you a list of available actions. If you are an agent, you may have permission to assign or edit the issue. It's possible that you may be allowed to close the issue as well. Clicking on one of these options will take you into edit mode on the issue, opening up the fields you're able to modify and allowing you to add a note. Depending on your permissions and what features have been activated, you may be able to create knowledge base articles, calendar events, or recurring issues from the issue. Attachments can be added using either the left-hand menu option or clicking on the paperclip icon and using drag and drop to add items to the pop-up box. Scrolling down to view the rest of the issue, if you play a role in a workflow, you may see the task manager and any processes that have been added to that issue. You'll also have the history of the notes that have been added. You can use the Add Note or Close buttons on either the top or bottom of the screen. Clicking Close will take you to the Close screen, where you can fill out a cause or solution before scrolling up or down and clicking Close Issue. That's working with issues in Issuetrak.